Hi, I am Maria. You are watching Golden News Channel. Today, the 23rd of August 2020. Now headlines. Conscious Russian opposition leader Alexei Nolni moves to Germany for treatment. California wildfires spread, killing 5. Democratic convention concludes together with the nation to end the dark ages. Biden. Internet Explorer announced to shut down after 25 years. Germany, pets must be taken to walk twice a day. Now details of headlines. You are watching Golden News Channel. Please share this video and subscribe our channel. Russia's opposition leader Alexei Nolni has been transferred to Berlin, Germany, where he will receive medical treatment. Alexei Nolni's family suspects an attempt was made to poison him in Siberia earlier this week, after which his condition is said to be critical. Alexei Nolni's family had concerns about his treatment in Russia, which led to his deportation to Germany. Alexei Nolni, a doctor at a hospital in the Russian city of Omsk, said on Friday he was in good health. They have no objection to the patient being transferred to another hospital. The doctor also said that the transfer was requested by Alexei Nolni's family. Therefore, the entire responsibility for the transfer of the patient also lies with his family. California wildfires spread, killing 5. California wildfires have engulfed a large area. More than 12,000 firefighters are trying to put out the blaze. California Governor Gavin Newsom has said he has called on other U.S. states, including Canada and Australia, to help put out the blaze. The governor says Australia is home to some of the best firefighters in the world. The governor said Friday that wildfires in Northern California have wreaked havoc and forced thousands to flee their homes. Hundreds of homes and other buildings in the affected areas have been gutted by fire, he said. At least 5 people have been killed so far in the wildfires. More than 43 firefighters were injured in the blaze. Democratic convention concludes together with the nation to end the dark ages. Biden. Former United States Vice President Joe Biden has formally accepted his nomination as a Democratic candidate in the upcoming presidential election and vowed to defeat his Republican rival, President Donald Trump. In his address on the last day of the 4-day Democratic convention on Thursday, Biden said that the American people would work together to end the dark age that he said was now upon the United States. In his nearly half-hour speech, Biden sharply criticized President Trump and his policies, accusing the president of being unwilling to accept responsibility for the spread of the coronavirus in the United States and the damage it caused. He said that despite the passing of the corona epidemic so far, President Trump has no plans to deal with it and has failed to protect the United States, which is unforgivable. Biden's speech was the last address of the Democratic Convention, which was broadcast online from Wilmington, Delaware. During the convention, party delegates formally nominated him and his vice presidential candidate, Kamala Harris, for the November 3 presidential election. The 4-day convention was moved entirely online due to the corona epidemic, during which Democratic leaders and other figures delivered pre-recorded and live speeches. Internet Explorer announced to shut down after 25 years. In the late 20th century and early 21st century, users who use the Internet will be familiar with Microsoft's. Since 1995, Microsoft's or Internet Explorer has been used by many users, but is now going to be discontinued. Microsoft has announced the closure of the old browsers Internet Explorer 11 and Microsoft's Legacy Edge. They have now been replaced by the new browser Microsoft Edge. Microsoft confirmed in a blog that Internet Explorer 11 will not be available from August 17 next year. Similarly, more security updates to Explorer's old browser Legacy Edge will not be available since March 9, 2021. The video conference app Microsoft Teams will also not support Internet Explorer 11 after November 30, 2020. The company says the closure of Internet Explorer 11 will cause some users problems that they feel they are experiencing. However, users can use the new browser introduced by Microsoft. Germany, pets must be taken to walk twice a day. A law in Germany is under consideration that requires dog owners to take them out of the house for air conditioning twice a day. The suggestion was to have a dog rights debate in Germany. Critics say the state can decide what is right and not what is right about the care of the country's 94 million pet dogs. Germany's Agriculture Minister Julia Klöckner announced this week that she was bringing a new law on dog rights based on the opinion of experts. She wants to introduce a new law that would require dog owners to take their pets out of the house twice a day for half an hour. Thanks for watching Golden News Channel. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.